Hello and welcome back to another video, where today I'm going to show you how to make a simple neon effect. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is select our cube and our light. Then we're going to press X and enter to delete them. We're now going to add the monkey, so we're going to press Shift A, Mesh, Monkey. We're now going to press 1 to go to our 0 to go to our camera view. We're going to press N on our keyboard. We're going to go to View, Plot Camera to View, meaning now we can move and the camera will follow. We're going to line up a knife angle with our camera and our monkey, so I'm going to use this angle. We're going to click out of camera and then go face onto it, or close enough that you can see it all. So we're now going to click on the wrench, we're going to add a modifier, and we're going to click wireframe. So we've sort of made this cool wired monkey, which already looks good. We're now going to go Shift D and then right click to cancel, and then we've got a dupe copy of it. On the copy, we're going to press X on the modifier, and we've sort of made a spider monkey, which is where we want to go, or what we want to happen. I'm now going to click on materials. We're going to click on the original monkey, so click on the wireframe. Around the outside, we're going to press new. We're going to change the surface from principal BSDF up to emission. I'm going to change the color to any color of your choice. I'm going to go for green, and so we can see what we're doing, we're going to click over here to viewport shading. There we go. Just a colour that you think looks quite nice. You can do blues, to whatever you think you like. We're now going to go to do a few other things. We're going to click on Mold Properties. We're going to change the colour all the way down to black. We're going to click onto the top one, Render Properties. Make sure you've got your render engine set to Eve. We're going to then tick the screen space reflections to give it a bit more reflection. You can now mess around with the max roughness and the other settings to change the sort of this almost output of it. So as you can see there, without it, it's just the wire. With it, it sort of reflects the light around a bit more. There's still a few more things we want to do. We're going to go move our mouse to the bottom left, and we're going to drag across to about there. Okay, not like that. Try again. Go back. So we're going to go to the bottom left of there and just drag across the screen, as you can see. So we've got two monkeys. This one we're going to set to be our render final output. So click there, and here we're going to press on this top icon at the top, and we're going to go down to shader editor. We're now going to click on our non-wireframe monkey, so monkey 001 there, as you can see. We're going to go to materials, create a new material. We're now going to click on the left hand frame. We're going to zoom in. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep the base color white, but we're going to bring the metallic all the way up to the top, bring spectre all the way up, and lower roughness by quite a lot. We're now going to, on here, go to the render properties one more time, and enable bloom. As you can see, it's made it a bit more glowy, reflective. Click on the drop down. Again, you can mess around with like the thresholds of how much blur around the outside you want. You can mess around with the radius. Do you want it to have a really strong, like bright neon effect, or do you want it to be much dimmer? Just you can mess around with that. Intensity, just play around with it until you're happy. I quite like the look of that. And then when you're happy, we're going to drag the screen just back over to the side by right clicking, join areas, and just click over there. Now going to click on the camera icon one last time, and make sure we're happy by pressing N, view, lock camera to view, move it around to make sure we're happy with where our monkey's final photo will be. I think that I don't think that looks too bad, so I like that. So we're now going to go to render, and render image. There you go, should have done it fairly fast. And there is our neon monkey. It's quite a cool effect. I quite like it. And you can do this with any shape. It doesn't have to be a monkey. You could do it with text, I suppose. You could do it with other models, spheres, triangles. I think using a monkey shows off the effect quite well. You can save your image by going Image, Save As, and save it. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you might like some other videos I've made. I will hopefully see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Bye.